Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes. Is my slide visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So yesterday we were talking about Joule's heating effect, no? So H is equal to I square RT, and I was telling you to prove that mathematically. How if I increase 4 times the current in Joule's heating equation, what will happen to heat? Have you all tried that? Some?
Ma'am, I tried a little, but I
Ma'am,
also
like,
got stuck at the same point.
Yeah?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I also
like,
got stuck at the
I
same point.
tried my best, but I took another example also, like to understand it clearly.
Mm-hmm.
So I just took the example of speed. How
Okay.
to find speed? Speed is distance by time.
Okay.
So speed is indirect, like it is inversely proportional to distance and time,
Yeah.
right? From that example, like now if you take h equals to I square
RT.
multiplied by RT. So
Yeah.
there it is directly proportional. So you can easily say, like in speed, if speed decreases, time increases. If
Yeah.
time decreases, speed increases. So like that,
Yeah.
I understood. I tried my best to prove it mathematically, but while looking at the question, I found that it is not possible to find it mathematically. But it's
Okay.
proving that because it is directly proportional.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why if the heat increases, then the current also will
The
increase,
current
and the
increase, the heat will
resistance
increase.
and time will also increase.
It is mathematically possible to prove that 4 times in joules, if I increase 4 times, it will increase the heat also. So it is possible to prove mathematically. It is not like not possible. It is possible. It is possible. Yes. You
Okay.
can prove anything mathematically. It's nothing like that, ma'am. Can't prove like that. So shall we start? So yesterday we made a small
Yes,
mistake in
ma'am.
one
We
step.
can start together.
Okay. So yesterday we made a small mistake in one step. So here the question is, if I increase the current 4 times. So here what is current? I, right? So I am increasing the current 4 times. So it's basically I square RT. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's 4 into I square RT.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is 4 fours are? I mean 4 square
16.
I square RT. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is I square RT is equal to H? Am I right?
16
Am I
H.
right? No, I'm asking H is equal to I square RT. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm keeping this as
What is
H.
I square means?
So I'm keeping this as H dash. So this as H dash, the new heat as H dash. And now I can replace this I square RT which H. So
Yes, ma'am.
16H. So did I get the relation between H dash and H? Now I proved that when I increase the current 4 times.
I'm like there is one black color thing. Like
Yes, ma'am. It's blocking the screen. Like,
Now?
no, ma'am.
Now?
No, ma'am. It's
the down one, the down one.
I'm near H is equals to 16 H.
Why nothing is there?
Ma'am, there is something like lines, a square, a rectangle with full of lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I need like it's present in the corners of the screen also, like on the top.
Wait. Now you see?
No, ma'am.
Now also?
Once click on it, ma'am. Like near H is equals to that. Yes, ma'am. Now it's on.
Yeah, now? Now
Yes,
got
ma'am,
it?
it's gone.
Yes.
Now, did you get the sum? How did I
Yes,
do?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it. We need to take 4i square. Whole.
4i square. Actually, I'm increasing the current 4 times. So I have to square the 4 also, right? So yesterday we just made a mistake like 4i square. We left this 4. So it's actually 4i whole square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm increasing I. So I have to square the 4 also. So if I square 4, it goes to 16. So I square is I square only. So 4 square is 16. I square RT. So we know H is equal to I square RT. So we have kept this as H dash. So substituting H is equal to I square RT. So instead of I square RT here, I can replace that with H. So did I get the relation? Now the new heat will be 16 times more than the whole heat. So if I increase current 4 times, the impact will be 16 times to the heat. Yes? Did you get the relation H dash is equal to 16H?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't understand.
Okay. Anybody can explain, Aishwarya?
Ma'am,
Siddhant?
basically yesterday, yeah, ma'am, basically yesterday we did a mistake like we didn't, like we don't, like 4i square equals to h by rt. So
Yeah.
we didn't find the value of 4. So basically we need, it's actually 4i whole square. So now, so when we find the value of 4i whole square, we get 16i square
Yes.
RT. So we directly prove it as like H1. We kept H slash like for like finding the new heat. So then we H slash will be like we found the value of 4i square at 16 I square RT. So now we
Yeah.
can easily find that H slash is 16H.
Yes. Now got it, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Really, you got it or you didn't get?
I understood.
Okay. So now I'll give another question. Same method. You people will say me. You have to prove mathematically to me. Okay. So, okay. The same question. If I increase the, okay, no, I'll give different question. If I increase the voltage, listen the question very carefully. If I increase the voltage of voltage of a device 3 times, what will happen to the heat Joule's law of heat, Joule's heating equation? Yes, everybody do it. Yes, understood the question?
Yes, I'm like it's just the same as the previous question.
Yeah. If I increase voltage, but here I'm increasing the voltage of the device 3 times, what will happen to the Joule's law of heating equation? I mean, what will happen to the heat in Joule's law of heating equation? Yes, start solving and tell me the answer. Jules, everybody should start solving. Adrit Rao, Advika, Aishwarya, Ashwan, Chakrika, everyone should solve now and tell me the answer. So I'll give you Joule's law of heating equation is H is equal to I square R T. Yes.
Ma'am, can we tell the answer?
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
should I tell the answer?
Yeah, you can tell.
Ma'am, the heat will increase 9 times.
Okay. Fine. Anyone
Yes,
else?
ma'am, it will be 9H.
Okay. Anyone else?
Ma'am, it will be 9H.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
can
it's
anybody 9H? Everybody got 9H.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Chakrika, what about you? Chakrika?
Ma'am, I also got 9H.
Okay. Chakrika, what about you? And Gelda?
I also got 9H.
Got 9H? Gelda?
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? What is the answer, Soumya? Soumya, what is the answer? Everybody open the video. Everybody open the video or else I'll call your parents now.
Ma'am, in the middle of the class, like sometimes my network will be unstable. Ma'am. So
It's
if
okay.
that happens, can I off? If
Yeah.
only if any network issue happens.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. What happened? Soumya, what is the answer? Soumya, what is the answer? Gelda, your video is still not working.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, you have to rectify it before the next class. I don't know what you will do. How will you rectify? You have to rectify it before next class. Yes. Chakrika, everybody open the camera except Gelda.
Ma'am, there's a black square again.
What? So everybody got 9H as answer. Soumya, you got the 9H as answer? Hello. Soumya. Soumya. Soumya left the meeting. Okay, leave it. Okay. So I don't want to explain, right? Everybody got the right answer. Shall we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I will be asking this in the subjective test. If you people are not solving it, I'll give 0 marks for the entire paper. So everybody solved, right? Everybody got 9H. Or you just told, Sheetaj told.
Because I went to village.
Everybody got 9H.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
9
ma'am.
No need to explain,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am. Because 3i square, 3i whole square.
Yes,
3i whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
3i square is equals to 9.
Okay.
Yes.
So and I square RT, which is equals to heat. So it's 9H.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I told here if we increase voltage, I didn't say I will increase the current, right? I said I will increase the voltage. So why are you putting 3 into ice, the whole square here?
Ma'am, R comes for resistance and T for comes for time.
R comes for resistance and T for time. That is okay. But I'm telling you, I told here clearly that I'm increasing the voltage 3 times. So there is no voltage in this formula. So why you have increased current?
Ma'am, because they're directly proportional.
Yes,
I is
ma'am.
equals
The
to V by
SI unit
T
of current.
and
Yes,
3 into Y. V by.
Yes. Gelda, why? There is no voltage in this equation. But how you got 9H?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, Gelda. Gelda will say yes.
Ma'am, I just said as went off out as answers.
You just said others answers, right?
Yes.
Very good. I expected that. Yeah. Anyone else is in the same condition? Just said the others answer. If I find out, I'll complain to your parents. Like Gelda, please accept the truth. Yes. Yes. Okay. So the reason behind is Gelda, please listen. I appreciate for your honesty, but please listen. So we know that V is equal to IR, right?
Yes.
Gelda, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I told her voltage I'm increasing 3 times. So we know that V is directly proportional to I. Do you know or not?
Yes. Yes.
So when I increase voltage 3 times, it is understood that current will also increase 3 times, right?
Yes.
So directly I can put 3 into I, the whole square. Yes?
Yes.
Now got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's all. Then 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. I square RT. And then I'm replacing the I square RT with H. So it's basically 9H. Yes?
Yes. I understood fully now.
Wonderful. Yes. Shall we go to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the basic explanation of the formula. I don't think so you need a formula explanation, but still we'll have it. So current. So H is equal to I square RT. So first one is current. So we all know what is current. So the flow of electric charge to the conductor. The greater the current, the more charge is moving. Because I is directly proportional to Q by T, right? So when the charges are increasing, the current will increase as per the formula. So that is what they are telling. And therefore, more collisions occur between the charge carriers and atoms of the conductor, producing more heat. So basically telling how the current is affecting the heat, like how the current is responsible for heat. So see here, it's very good explanation. The flow of electric charge through the conductor is called current. The greater the current, the more charge is moving. When there is lot of current, it means lot of charges are moving. The density of charge is high, right? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And therefore,
Yes.
more collision will occur. So between the charge carriers. So they are trying to say, so we have a conductor. We have a conductor. So we know the electrons, the charge carriers are going. So when there is more charge carriers, more current is going. So there will be collision, right? So there will be collision for each and every charge because they are moving it very fast manner. So when you are also want to catch the train for some station, you're running fastly, you will dash some people in between, right? Like that only.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that only, when there are more charges, they are moving in very fast manner. So they will hit on each other. So this charge will hit on this charge. This charge will hit on the other charge. It will hit on the other charge. So hitting will happen. There will be a lot of collision. So that hitting is scientifically, technically called as collision. Yes, there will be collision between the two charges, right? Accepting?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
like
Yes.
anything which collides will produce a bit of heat.
Yes,
So
exactly.
similarly, if charges also collide, they will provide heat.
Yeah, so I'll all tell you. Clap your hands very fastly. Like it should hurt your hand. So if you clap your hands very fastly, you can feel the heat in your hand, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I tried it now.
Yes.
Ma'am,
But
also if we rub our hands tightly,
yeah,
it
when you
also
rub
Ma'am,
your
that's
will.
because of friction.
Friction.
yeah, it's because of friction, obviously. So when two things are colliding with each other, you will have friction there. So when friction
Ma'am,
is there, heat will
friction
all
converts and friction converts it. I'm sorry, it converts some kinetic energy to friction energy, and friction energy converts to heat energy.
exactly. Yes. So wherever the friction is there, heat will be produced. So wherever the collision is there, heat will be produced. So that's why we are having heat effect when current is moving. Yes, when current is there, we are getting heat effect because electrons are colliding and they are having friction. Yes, got it?
Yes.
The resistance. Now going to resistance. The measure of how much the conductor opposes the flow of current. Higher resistance means the conductor impedes the flow of charges more, leading to more collision and thus more heat. So what do you mean by resistance normally? So resistance means saving you from something. No. I have a question. So I told you in the fuse, if we increase the number of current, like if we increase the current, heat will be increased and that's why fuse is melting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So I'm increasing the current, heat will be increased and fuse cannot hold so much of heat and it will melt, right?
Melted, sir.
Yes.
So why the copper wires that are present inside the wiring areas are not melting? When the fuse is melting, why the wires are not melting? So the wires are something like keep on the current is flowing onto the wire, copper wire, right? We are using the fan, light, AC every day, almost every day. But why nothing is happening to such wires, copper wires? Yes.
Ma'am, is it because copper is a good conductor of electricity?
Fuse is also good conductor of electricity. That's why it is passing the current from one place to other place. So why fuse is melting?
Ma'am, copper is stronger than the material which is used in fuse. Why?
Stronger. Yeah, you're almost right. You're almost right.
I think copper not a good conductor of heat.
It's a good conductor of heat. Yeah, fuse is also a
No,
good
ma'am,
conductor
it's
of
not
heat.
the good conductor of heat.
I'm
That's
heat
not-
like copper is
Yeah.
the good conductor
Copper
of
is
heat.
conductor of heat.
The resistance of the copper is very, very low. The resistance of the copper is very, very low. It means it can withstand more amount of current. It is stronger than fuse. Basically, in local language, if you want to say, it is stronger than fuse. It can withstand lot of current, lot of heat effect. The resistance of copper is very, very low. What is resistance? The word resistance means opposing it, opposing something. No, I am resistant to water, means I don't like water. No, whenever the water is there, I'll come aside of it. Right? So what is the work of resistance in any circuit? It stops the current when the current is coming over, when the current is overflow, it stops the current in the circuit, right? Right?
Yes.
So the resistance power of the copper is very low. The resistance power of the copper is very, very low. So it will withstand lot of current, lot of heat. Nothing will happen to it. So that's why we are using copper as wires. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Got it? Just a normal fact or reason behind why the copper is used. Because the resistance of the copper is very low, such that it can withstand high amount of current and heat. It won't melt. Yes? Yeah.
Okay.
So the same thing is explained here also. Yes. So the measure of how much conductor opposes the flow of current. Higher the resistance means the conductor impedes the flow of charge more, right? And leading to more collision and thus heat. And now coming to time. The duration for which the current flows through the conductor, longer duration results in more heat. Obviously, when for long period of time the current is going means the heat will be increased automatically, right? So because the collision continue to generate the heat for over a longer period. So when there is longer amount of when I'm giving lot of heat, so I'm running the electrical appliances for longer time means I can feel the heat, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just an explanation of the formula. That's all. Yes, now we know IH is directly proportional to the square of current and R resistance and time taken. Yes. Now got it? How these individual characters influences the formula?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So can we try problems now or we'll see the heating effect
Ma'am?
of?
Then we'll try
Yeah.
problem.
Ma'am, is H proportional to resistance and time?
Yes, directly proportional to resistance and time and directly proportional to the square of the current. Yes. Yeah. So H is basically one more question. H is basically R, T and I square. So I square means it's like I can write like this, no? I into I. Right?
Yes, sir.
So 1I is basically how much of heat? 1H is equal to 2 times of heat. 2 into I, no? So I into I. So it's 2I. So 1I, now my question is 1I is equal to how much of heat? Yes?
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
It's okay. We'll discuss this later. I don't want to confuse now. We'll go to problems.
your voice is very low.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
ma'am.
like
Yes,
when you
sir.
keep the mic near to your mouth, it's audible.
Okay, I'll keep it near. Start solving these three. Yes. No. Solve the first one and last one. No need the... No. Solve all the three. All the three and tell me the answer quickly.
Ma'am, can you tell the answer in chat?
First we start solving. I don't know the answer. I have not worked out. You people only should work out and tell you. Yes.
Ma'am, can we tell the first answer?
No. Keep
We
it in
need
your
to
mind.
convert
I'll ask.
minutes into seconds.
I don't know. What is the SI unit of
Okay, okay.
whatever is SI unit, convert. Yes. Solved first one, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, send
So-
in the answer in chat.
Yeah. What is the answer, Gilda, for the first one? Gilda, answer for the first one. Chakrika?
Ma'am, I am doing, ma'am.
Okay. Should I again and again tell everyone to open the camera?
Ma'am, I said, ma'am, like my internet connection is sometimes unstable. So
Fine. Hamza, Gilda?
Ma'am,
Okay, Gilda, leave it.
my
Hamza?
camera usually doesn't work.
I got disconnected when I turned on my camera.
Please turn on everybody. Soumya,
Ma'am,
got
is
the
my
answer?
answer correct? I sent in my chat, in your chat box.
I'll tell you. When I solve, I'll tell you. Yeah. Soumya, got the answer?
No, ma'am.
Chakrika, got the answer?
Doing, ma'am.
How much time? It's just, you can just see and tell the answer. It's very straightforward question. Advika, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm almost done.
Almost done. Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, you sent the answer. Okay, fine. Ashwant?
Ma'am, first one.
Yeah, first one. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Send the answer in the chat personally to me. And Rishit, your answer is wrong. I think you have to redo.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Charvik? Charvik? Yeah. Charvik, you can't hear me. Charvik? Yes. All the three completed, everybody? Chakrika did?
Ma'am, your voice is again so low.
Yeah. Did Chakrika? Chakrika, completed. Gilda, completed. Soumya, post the answers or else I won't leave you today.
And I'm still getting the same answer for the first.
Ma'am, I already did send the answer.
Soumya, you sent the answer? You sent already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the three, for all the three you sent?
No, ma'am, for the first one, I'm sending the last one.
Nagasudarshan, completed the question?
Yes, ma'am, completed the question.
Post the answer in the chat. Why are you playing with Charvik's message emoji?
Because I'm just
Why
all
are you
the
playing, Nagasudarshan? Why are you playing?
because I kept the two and kept the Hamza and the Charlie. I kept this and this and this and this. I sent you.
Everybody check the answer for first one. I am doing it.
Sorry, I
Resistance.
kept emoji to Charvik and who put Charvik.
5 into, so 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 5, 6 or
Ma'am,
30.
this is on my
So
phone.
basically it's
I won't do
300.
this time.
Please do the sum and send me the answer, Sudarshan.
Okay,
2 twos are
ma'am.
4. So 4 threes are 12. So it's basically 4 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are 12. 1200 into 10. So basically it should be, this should be the answer.
We got the same answer.
1200, 12,000. Sorry, you got the right answer actually. So rest all got the wrong answer. I don't know why. How 200 came for everybody?
Ma'am, I send 12,000 joules.
Ma'am, it's ma'am, first it took 5 minutes or 5 minutes, but when I asked you to like the SI unit of time, then I did it again and converted it into seconds.
Yeah, Siddhant. Everybody got the wrong answer. Aishwarya, everybody got the
Ma'am,
wrong
I
answer.
did correct only. I sended you.
Okay.
Afterwards.
Others? Why got the wrong answer? What mistake you all made? 200 joules? No, Siddhant, it's wrong. It's not 200 joules. It's 12,000 joules.
Ma'am, how?
Because we are converting the 5 minutes to 300 seconds.
No, ma'am, like I'm just doing back camera and showing you.
You did that conversion?
Ma'am, I
See
don't,
here.
like I didn't it. I think I didn't it. And basically I
I
wrote the
solved here.
formula as no, ma'am, basically I wrote the formula as h equals to I square RT. Then h
Okay.
equals to the as it was the question was given as like the question was given of 2 ohms. So 2 square is 4. So 4 into
Yeah.
10 into 5. So 4 then the
Ah.
40 and 40 into 5 is 200 joules.
Yeah, it's wrong. So you have to convert the 5 minutes to seconds, no? So SI unit of time is seconds. So always convert it to SI unit and then solve it. I many times I told.
Ma'am, can you check my second one?
Second one, I'll check it. So everybody got it right, Soumya. Okay. I think Soumya has posted. Got the
Ma'am,
right
second one
answer?
is wrong. Ma'am, second one is wrong. I didn't convert it. I'm just converting now.
Yeah. And Advika, what about you?
Ma'am, I sent, but it's wrong.
Yeah. Why you got 10? Why you got 10, Advika? What formula you used? Yes, explain me how you solved. Explain me, Advika. Yes, Gelda, what about you? Gelda? Hamza?
Yes, ma'am.
You also did the same mistake?
Yes, ma'am. No, I got yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Advika, please
got
explain
200.
me how you did the first problem, please.
I didn't convert the 5 minutes.
Okay, then also how you got 10, dear? Everybody got 200. No, you got 10. 10 is somewhere. Somewhere else. Did you use this formula? H is equal to I square RT? Did you
Get
use this
confused by I
formula?
square.
Okay, second one I'll solve. Advika, you have to explain me how you did and then only you can leave the class. Then second one, listen everybody. Everyone, I'm telling to everyone. If you are wrong, if your answer is wrong, you have to explain me how you did. Yeah, let's wait. Second one I'll solve. So I square, so they have given current and minutes, and then joules also they
Yes.
have given. We have to find the resistance.
Resistance.
Okay, so it's basically 5, this much is equal to I square is 3. So they have given,
9.
yeah, it's 9 into resistance we have to find, and time is
600 minutes.
10 minutes
600
into, yeah, 600. So 2020 here cancel. So it's basically 540 by 9 into 6 is equal to R. So 9 3 so 9 4 so that is 9 5 are 45, 9 6 are 54. So 6 cancelled. So it's basically 10. So R is equal to 10. Everybody got 10?
Ma'am, like
Ma'am,
I
I
didn't
did
I got
wrong.
confused, so I just
Yes,
like,
ma'am.
wait. Got it.
10
ma'am.
is the right answer, right?
For which question?
Second one.
Oh, I'm just doing, ma'am. I got wrong that time because I didn't convert 10 minutes.
Soumya, you're right. Second one is 10, correct. So Ashwath,
I'm
you have
like,
given 15.
what's the answer for the
Yes,
first one?
ma'am, I did wrong.
First one answer is 12,000. Second one answer is 10. Third one will solve. What about you, Gilda? No sound.
Where did 9 come from?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I didn't actually attempt it since I was
After recorrecting, I got the first one right.
Okay, second one.
Ma'am, I didn't attempt these questions since I was in a washroom. I came
Ma'am,
back.
second one I'm doing.
Okay, Gilda, no problem. Please make a note. I have also solved. If you cannot solve, please make a note.
Okay.
Yeah, what about you, Hamza?
Where did 9 come from?
9 came from this side to this side, Hamza. 9 is already here, so it came to this side and it became division. So why 9 here? Because I square RT, no? As per the formula, I square. So they have given 3, so I have to square the I. So when I square 3, it becomes 9. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what formula did you use for second question?
Same formula will be used throughout for all the question. For this slide also, for this
Like,
slide.
in which you changed? Like, in which thing you changed it?
So yeah, I'll say you. They are asking us to find the resistor. So resistance of the resistor. So in the first question, they are asking directly. They are asking us to find heat. But in the second question, they are asking us to find the resistance. They have given the heat as 5,000, 54,000 joules. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So heat is already given here. So that's why I told like 54,000 equal to 9 into, so 9, you know how 9 came because I square into R is what we have to find. So I'm keeping R same. And then we also know the time taken is 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, if I convert to seconds, it becomes 60 seconds. Sorry, 600 seconds, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when I do the math, I'm getting R is equal to 10.
Is my third one correct? I've sent in third one.
I'll calculate. Wait.
Okay.
So third one is what they're asking us to find. They're asking us to find the time here, right? So 10,000. Please, everybody check. When I am solving, please check. Then don't ask, ma'am, what is that and what is this? When I'm solving, you check. Still, if you still have doubt, then ask me. Yes, 10,000. So HI square is 4 4s are 16. Okay, I'm directly writing it. I hope don't want to say every step. R is 5 and then T is what we have to find. Here we have to find what is T. Please listen everyone carefully. So except T, I'm taking all others to that side. So basically 10,000 by 16
Into 5.
16 into 5. I hope you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, the second one I got correct.
Good. Those who got correct, good. So now do the math. So when you do the math, I'll do the math in calculator.
Ma'am, we can simplify 5 and with that 10,000.
1 second. 16 into 5 is 80. So 10,000 divided by 80 will give you 125. Correct?
Sir, I
Yes,
sent
ma'am.
in for that.
125.
Everybody got it right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, like in the question, like third question, what's the joules?
10,000.
Okay.
So sorry, what is a joule? It's heat. Heat.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, like what's the value of the heat in
10,000.
joules?
10,000.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am?
Aishwarya.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it
is
Yes.
125 in seconds or minutes?
What?
Is this
125 seconds. Why it is seconds? Because all others are in their SI unit. Current is in ampere, so resistance is in ohm, and joules is in heat is in joules. So all others are in SI unit. So by default, 125 will be seconds only. Yes.
yes?
Yes. I hope everybody understood. Gilda, Hamza, Soumya.
Clear.
Yes.
Ma'am, this week do we have subjective or objective?
This week we have subjective.
Ma'am, but like I think so I cannot be like able to attend the test because like I'm going to out of station on that day. So that whole day I'll be traveling, ma'am.
Okay, fine, no problem. Everyone else, tomorrow we'll solve these two problems, and these two problems are not like the first two, I think so. Somewhat I have included something voltage will be coming here. Yeah, see here, voltage will come. So no problem, it's easy only. We'll calculate that tomorrow, and then we'll complete these two, the heating effect of electric heater, iron
Ma'am,
box,
what do you got the answer for the third one?
125 seconds.
Ma'am, I got right.
try the third one?
Yes, so I hope everybody
Ma'am, I'm
solved it.
not able to understand that third.
Third question, then answer third one. Just let me do my work.
Yeah, please. What happened, Ashwant? You can't understand third one.
Ma'am, can you explain me?
Okay.
Like I'm
See, third one, they have given heat. Did you understand the question? What they are given?
yes, ma'am.
See here, they have given 10,000 as joules as heat. Okay, heat is given, basically heat is given in the question. And time is given like, time is what we have to find out. Resistance is given as 5. So 4 ampere is current. So 4 ampere is basically I. So resistance is given as 5 ohms, right?
Mm.
So now we have, the formula H is equal to I square R and T. Okay, in this formula, you listen very carefully. H is given, I is given, R is given. We have to find the T, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is H? 10,000 is equal to, what is I? I is 4. So we have to square the I. 4 4s are 16. Only I is given, but as per the formula, it's I square. So we have to square the I. 4 4s are 16. Yes? Resistance is 5 and time is don't know. We don't know the time. So keeping the time in the right side. Except time, I'm taking all others to the left hand side. So basically 10,000. So when it is in multiplication, when it comes this side, it comes as a division, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is equal to T. So when you do this math, you will get 125 seconds as an answer. That's all.
Okay.
Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll solve these two questions. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you upload this?
Ma'am,
to
let me
social-
write in the third one.
Yeah, I'll upload the slides maybe after.
Ma'am,
2
like
hours.
when free time I'll go through the slides. So like if there is any doubt, I'll
Ma'am, let me finish the third one.
Yeah, please finish it. Take a picture if you cannot
The
finish because I'm
question.
gonna end the meeting. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is
Ma'am, like, ma'am, I have a doubt in this chapter only in this particular thing. So
Yeah.
I'm just sending you in a WhatsApp. Can you just clear it there?
Yeah. Last doubt also I didn't. Yeah, I'll see it today. No problem. Yes.
Ma'am, actually send it in the chat also.
Okay, I'll see it. You send me in the according to Joule's law of heating, where I is current, R is the resistance, and T is the time. Errors in the measurement. Okay, 3% respectively. Then error in the time measurement of H's. Okay, you can solve that by yourself. Okay, I'll see, no problem. I'll solve and send you.
Okay.
I'll note it. I'll solve and send you. And please, everybody, also